Welcome back to Trivia Trek. Before we start, please like, share, and subscribe to channel so you can get quiz videos every day. Please let us know your scores in comment section below. Let's start with easy questions. Before we begin, have you subscribed to our channel? If not, then hit that red subscribe button under the video. Let's start the quiz.
Which country is famous for tulips, windmills, and wooden shoes? The answer is Netherlands. Who delivered the I Have a Dream speech in 1963? The answer is Martin Luther King Jr. What is the term for the process by which cells divide to produce gametes? The answer is meiosis. Which philosopher famously stated, cogito, ergo sum, I think, therefore I am? The answer is René Descartes. Which marine animal is known for having 8 arms and 3 hearts? The answer is octopus. Who wrote the dystopian novel Fahrenheit 451? The answer is Ray Bradbury. Which element, named after a planet, is used in some thermometers and has the symbol Hg? The answer is mercury. The siege of Leningrad lasted for approximately how many days during World War II? The answer is 872 days. Which brass instrument has a sliding tube used to change pitch? The answer is trombone. Which mountain is known as the roof of the world and is the highest on Earth? The answer is Mount Everest. What is the name of the largest volcano on Earth by area and volume? The answer is Mauna Loa. What is the smallest perfect number, a number equal to the sum of its proper divisors? The answer is 6. In competitive swimming, what is the stroke that involves simultaneous circular arm movements and a frog kick? The answer is breaststroke. What does Wi-Fi stand for? The answer is wireless fidelity. Which artist painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel? The answer is Michelangelo. The Maurya Empire was the first to unify most of which modern-day country? The answer is India. Which spice is derived from the crocus flower? The answer is saffron. Which Shakespeare play is set in the Forest of Arden? The answer is As You Like It. What is the name of the gland that produces melatonin, regulating sleep cycles? The answer is pineal gland. Which Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher wrote Meditations?
Let's set the difficulty to normal now. Before we begin, go and like this video. Are you ready? Let's go.
Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? The answer is Japan. Who discovered penicillin in 1928? The answer is Alexander Fleming. What is the common name for ethanol? The answer is drinking alcohol. Which Anglo-Saxon epic features the hero Beowulf fighting Grendel? The answer is Beowulf. Which bird is known for its ability to fly backwards? The answer is hummingbird. Which European city is home to the Colosseum and the Roman Forum? The answer is Rome. What is the term for the resistance of an object to changes in its motion? The answer is inertia. The Xinhai Revolution of 1911 overthrew which dynasty in China? The answer is Qing. Which singer is known as the Queen of Soul? The answer is Aretha Franklin. What does CPU stand for? The answer is Central Processing Unit. A supernova is the explosive death of which type of celestial object? The answer is star. Which philosopher argued for utilitarianism, advocating the greatest happiness principle? The answer is Jeremy Bentham. In which city were the first modern Olympic Games held? The answer is Athens. Who wrote the classic children's book The Very Hungry Caterpillar? The answer is Eric Carle. What is the largest animal on Earth? The answer is blue whale. Who was the last active ruler of the Ptolemaic Kingdom of Egypt? The answer is Cleopatra VII. Which island nation is known as the Emerald Isle? The answer is Ireland. Which famous painting depicts a woman with a mysterious smile? The answer is the Mona Lisa. At standard pressure, what is the melting point of water in degrees Celsius? The answer is 0 degrees Celsius. Who is considered the father of geometry? The answer is Euclid.
Now it's time for hard questions. After the video, please comment your scores below. Let's go.
Which cheese is traditionally made from unpasteurized sheep's milk and has a blue vein? The answer is Roquefort. Who was the first European to see the Pacific Ocean from the Americas? The answer is Vasco Núñez de Balboa. What is the name of the component that opposes the flow of electric current? The answer is resistor. What is the name of the writing system used in ancient Egypt? The answer is hieroglyphs. Which animal is known as man's best friend? The answer is dog. Which North American lake is the largest by surface area? The answer is Lake Superior. What is the name of the male reproductive part of a flower? The answer is stamen. The Treaty of Versailles, 1919, officially ended which war? The answer is World War I. Which British boy band sang What Makes You Beautiful? The answer is One Direction. Which platform was originally created for sharing 6-second videos? The answer is Vine. Which gas is the main component of natural gas? The answer is methane. Who wrote The Wealth of Nations, often called the foundation of modern capitalism? The answer is Adam Smith. How many players are on the field for one team in a standard soccer match? The answer is 11. Which novel features the character Jay Gatsby? The answer is The Great Gatsby. A red giant is a star in which stage of its life cycle? The answer is late stage. The Terracotta Army was buried with which Chinese emperor? The answer is Qin Shi Huang. What is the capital of Canada? The answer is Ottawa. Who sculpted the statue The Thinker, Le Penseur? The answer is Auguste Rodin. Which type of wave is used in microwave ovens to heat food? The answer is microwaves. What is the only even prime number? The answer is 2.
Leave a comment how much you score. We upload quiz video every day. Please like, share, and subscribe so you can get smarter every day.